up everybody, my name's Stefsky. Welcome to my room makeover tutorial. You want to see how I went from this to this? Stay tuned. What you're watching here is me unpacking what the moving companies brought into my office. I originally had my gaming and desk set up in the corner of my bedroom at my old house. As soon as I moved to this new house, I was really excited to be able to make this room into what it is now, which is my office, gaming, streaming room. Pretty much hang out here all day. So I had to go ahead and unpack everything that the moving company put together, which included putting the desk together, with monitors, using my brand new monitor arm. This is my first time ever having a triple monitor setup. I originally had a single, upgraded to a double, and now I am, for the first time ever, using a triple. As you can tell, I'm gonna have a lot to do with wiring and making sure that my cords aren't getting tangled, everything's being routed to the right way. It's really important to take your time doing stuff like that so that you don't mess anything up. Moving everything by myself was a little difficult. Being able to kind of put everything together is a little easier, but I'm not that strong, so. A lot of these directions that the IKEA comes out with didn't really make a lot of sense. A lot of it was directions by photo, and you know, I was kind of struggling with that one. That's my dog Rocky. He likes to get in the way a lot. This piece right here I picked up from IKEA. This is gonna be the shelving unit that holds both of my PCs. I had to make sure that I got something that was both sturdy enough to hold the two PCs, but also wouldn't wobble or bow by the weight. My friend Alyssa helped me carry this couch and build it. My first time ever having a couch in a streaming room, but I really wanted something in the background to kind of fill up that space behind my gaming chair. Once we got the couch up in the room, I was able to use it to store all of my stuffed animals that I've been collecting. My stream community is nice enough to spoil me with a bunch of squishies. Now that I got the desk, the PC shelving unit, the monitors up, it's time to route the cords from the PCs to the monitors and pretty much attach all of my gadgets together, like my mic. Right here's the HyperX Quadcast microphone. I have the Logitech 903 mouse. I'm putting together my Elgato equipment, including my stream light, my stream deck, and my capture card. I noticed when I was building the room that there was kind of an echo. So off Amazon, I purchased these wall panels that stick with adhesive to the side of the wall to kind of absorb some of the sound. In the future, I'll be getting some more to cover more area in the room. This is just so it goes right behind the screens, which is the direction in which I'm talking. Here I have both of my mice. I have my keyboard, which is the Logitech keyboard that goes from Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, my Elgato Stream Deck, all three of my monitors, my mic, my Alexa, and my charging stand. Here I have the GT Racing gaming chair, pretty supportive with the different types of pillows. On my shelving unit, I decided to store my Nintendo Switch, my Oculus, my gaming laptop. This is what I take to game on the road. I have all of my stuffed animals in the back, as well as my nano lines and my nano leaf lights. My black PC is my streaming PC. It's not as strong as my gaming PC, but it does the job. I had to make a couple upgrades in there so that the could hold the quality of Streamlabs. My white PC is my gaming PC. This is what I run all of my video games like Call of Duty, Apex, Minecraft on. As you can see, it's very pretty when it's all set up, but the process wasn't quite the same. I hope to be even better at it next time I get to rebuild this room if I ever move again. But this is pretty much my dream streaming and gaming room, so I'm really happy with the results. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me build this setup. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys would like you know, any descriptions on how I did certain things or why I put things the way that I did, feel free to comment below. I'll be dropping all of the links to all of the products that I use for my setup so that you guys can, you know, use them if you'd like. I try to stay on the cheaper side of things, but still having good quality. So if that's you, feel free to use any of these links to purchase. Thank you guys for coming by. Make sure you guys hit the like, sub, and notification button so you guys never miss a video. It's my first time ever doing a room makeup video like this, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time. Peace.